Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you some cool telephone equipment. This is Brian's telephone equipment from New Jersey. And what we have here is the Candlestick phone. And then we have our receiver, we got a spit cup, a crank handle, the other part of the Candlestick telephone for the transmitter. Now these bells, I'll explain to you what we're going to do with them, or use something similar to these if we can. And this was a project that I think his dad started years ago, and this is actually a Magneto box. It's not a bell box, it's just a Magneto box. And I believe the ideal was that they wanted to cut this out and put a bell in it. The problem with that is, I want to move some of this out of the way, there's no clearance inside above the crank for a bell. Once you get a bell installed on here, it's not going to clear it properly. So what we're going to do, I think, since there's already a hole cut here, we're going to have to do something with this hole. We also need to get some eyelets for the corners for the screws. It needs the hardware to shut the door. There's a little decorative piece of brass that goes here and a screw. Also, there was a hole cut in the side, as if it was going to be some type of hook switch there. But what we're going to do, I think, we're going to try to design this out where we have a couple of bells of some sort that will be on the outside. We'll try to repair this or cover it with some brass or something, or fill the wood. And then we'll have a couple bells on the outside, but the solenoid will be inside the bell. And that way we don't have to take any kind of mechanical part of a ringer inside to the Magneto box. And that'll leave us room on the inside for a network board, because we're going to have a newer modern network in this with a modern receiver inside the receiver capsule here, and then a transmitter, a mic at the Candlestick telephone. So this is kind of going to be a little ongoing project, and we're just going to have to see what we can do. I'm not sure this crank belonged in this unit, because we actually have where the door has been notched out right here for the crank. So you know, there's something has gone on through the years where there was a project here or there and it just never got finished. And so what we're going to do for Brian is try to get this straightened out and get the project back on track. And since his dad had this equipment and he was going to try to do something with it, we're going to finish that out for Brian and try to get him something going, because I know he wants to save this box and try to use it. And so we're just going to, you know, design what we can and just kind of do it, you know, take one step at a time and kind of move forward with the project. So anyway, this is basically how the telephone came in, with some, you know, pieces and parts. And for the most part, everything is here. We just have to wire everything, get a new cord on the receiver capsule to the Candlestick, get his hardware in, get some brass eyelets for the screw holes, and just work on it and try to get some bells in it and wire everything. And at some point he'll be able to crank it and the bell will ring, and then also when a ring comes in, when he gets a call, the bell should ring. So it's just going to be a little ongoing project that we have here, and so this is the kind of things that we get into at this shop. And so, you know, it's going to be a pretty cool situation when we finish it up. But this kind of just gives you a little look and idea of what we go through every day, here with the conversions and things that we try to get straightened out. And so it's going to be a neat little project, and I think Brian's going to be pretty happy when we finish it off, because I think his dad had this box and he wanted to do something with it, and it probably just never got finished. So anyway, just a little short video kind of showing what we have to do here and what we're going to get involved in with this. And so we'll do some more video of this in the future and try to show the progress as we move forward and kind of overcome these little situations where we have holes here and there and just things that we have to do. So it's going to be a neat situation when it's finished up. We just have to get to that point. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.